Hi guys, this is again Amy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to do another get ready with me. I'm going for like a really nice yellow cut crease. Yes, so I'm going for. So I've already done my eyebrow. I use the LA Girl brow kit, and I prime my face with this City Color face primer, and I also use the Makeup Revolution setting spray, the oil control setting spray, just because my face is a little bit oily and the weather is so nice in Holland. I use this SPF 30 face moisturizer just to protect. I always use this, but because the weather is nice, the sun is shining, so I use it. And then I also use this sleek liquid highlighter. This one I use all over my face. If my face is kind of shiny, I use the for cosmetic highlighter on my brow bone. I use the Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, so I used to cut my eyebrows. So now let's just jump into this tutorial. First, I'm going to take the Morphe 35R palette, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow that I also picked up. I've done a video about this eyeshadow. If you guys have not checked it out, I'll put a link here. Go and check it out. So now that I've said all that, let's jump into the tutorial. But first, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook like page for more pictures. And I also put pictures there on my entire outfit that I'm wearing, so you guys to see. So let's jump into this tutorial. So first, I'm going to take this, my transition color. I'm going to use this to transition my eyes. So let's jump into the tutorial. So this is the finished result. Yes, what a transformation, guys. If you guys want to know how I get this, where I got this wig, I'll put a link below. The video is on my main channel, amifullest. You guys can go and check it out. I'll put a link below, but this is the finished result. And this clothes and this necklace, I made it myself. It's DIY. It's something I made myself. If you guys want to see a full outfit, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Facebook Live page. I'll put both Instagram downstairs and on my Facebook Live page. I'll put all the links below so you guys can go and check it out for like a whole outfit. But I really like this weave. I'm not a weave kind of person. I just like the whole look, the weave, the lip. It just feel like this one of this dark skin, dark brown chocolate Instagram model. That's what I feel like right now. That's how I feel like right now. The weave, the hair. I'm sorry I couldn't talk during the makeup because they're digging the street. They're repairing the streets outside front of my house. So like there was a whole lot of noise, like so now they just take a break. So that's why you don't hear the noise. But if I was talking during the makeup tutorial, the noise would be like will be too much. You guys could not hear what I was saying. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really like it. Yes. So tell me, what do you guys think of it? Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Hope to see you guys very soon. Deze keer Amy, vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Doeg, bye!